My name is Robert Romanowski. I'm working with VMware, Citrix, Active Directory, and a plethora of applications. Worked with desktop support, managing printers, client computers, and networking. Today I have multiple certifications: MCSC, VCP, VCA, Network Plus, and CCNA. I was referred by a friend of mine, expressed an interest in computer science, and he mentioned that there's a lot more than what I know. I've taken 10 courses so far and counting. We have custom built labs, materials well designed, and the staff is very knowledgeable. It's a family atmosphere with a touch of personal development. Instructors are dedicated to their students' success. They cover additional material, including work experience. Courses are very intensive, but the material is designed to transfer the knowledge in a timely manner where student benefits most. The instructor pushed the students to the limits to show them they're more capable and hence becoming more efficient. Students have to spend a lot of time working on labs and studying, sacrifice some time from their family, but in 1 year's time, financial security no longer an issue. I've heard too many success stories and that's not to believe in it. I usually spend about 20 hours at home working on my assignments and my labs. NetSoft has a Hire Me class where students are prepared to ace an interview. I learned different virtualization techniques such as VMware and Citrix, something I had no idea about before. To be honest, I liked all of my courses. Everything was new, everything was very interesting. I would recommend NetSoft based on my own success. If you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, NetSoft is it.